Вот на этом маленьком самолетике я полечу. Вот он. Вот тут пропеллер у него есть. Тоже маленький. Вот летчик.
I can get back out, through that door? Yeah, we can go out through here and then just push the button on the door on the way out so the front door's locked. Which button?
Вот Билл, он не летит. А это Макс, вот он летит со мной.
I'll do that. Because nobody's going to be here for a while.
Okay, I'll jump in the back. I guess Boris will jump in the front.
Yeah. Front. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Bill, we'll see you
So.
in a couple of days, I guess.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
So what time on tomorrow night are you coming back?
Should we say?
Boris needs a little time. He would
Yeah.
like to go till about 6 if he can.
Let's do that.
He needs a little, because of the amount of work, he needs a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Then I'll have time for more holes.
I don't know. I'll have to talk to the boss and see what she's got.
Yeah.
What were you planning originally?
Oh.
Earlier, I guess, eh?
No, I don't
No,
think we
actually,
actually
I
talked
don't
about
think
that.
there was a plan.
No, there
Okay.
was no plan yet.
I think as late as possible is
Well,
probably
that makes
best.
sense. You make the best of
But
the
of course you're fighting your daylight. So.
Yeah. But we were chatting about that the other day, and he can be there at 6 at the latest. So that-
Okay, that's
and-
what
and-
that's
and
pretty much
until-
what I figured.
Yeah.
And then